This is easy to make rich chocolate cheesecake with salted caramel. Let me show you how I did this. Recipe for the salted caramel. I'm going to make the caramel first because I have to set it and cut and place in the middle of the cheesecake. Caster sugar and water. Just mix it up. It's like wet sand consistency. And I'm going to start cooking this sugar. When you cook the sugar, I don't want any sugar on the wall because it can fall down and make the caramel crystallize. So I'm using a brush to wipe around, the wet brush to wipe around the wall of the pan. Cook till it golden brown. I don't want it darker because I need soft caramel to go in the middle. Add double cream and mix it. And be careful, it's very hot now. Just whisk it up. You can bring the heat down now. And next I'm gonna add the butter. Butter in and cook for a few more minutes. You can see it getting thickened. Nice soft caramel. Salt to go in. I'm using some sea salt here. Nice salted caramel. I got this foil tray lined with cling film. So I'm gonna pour this caramel into this tray and let it set. And keep some more caramel to decorate the cake afterwards. So this is the Oreo crust butter. I got Oreos Ziploc bag. So first I'm gonna take the cream out of this Oreos. And I'm using melted butter. Nice crunchy base for this cheesecake. Just place all the Oreos inside and just crush them up. The biscuit crumbs into this bowl. And the melted butter. Mix with a spoon. Molds are ready. I cover the bottoms of these molds with foil and inside I place acetate sheets so it's easy to take it out when it's frozen. And now I'm going to place this Oreo crust inside the molds. Press it down with the fingers. Spread it evenly. Crunchy biscuit base for this chocolate cheesecake. Make sure it's evenly spread. And this is not a baked cheesecake. I'm going to freeze it to set the cheesecake. Recipe for the cheesecake. First I'm gonna melt this chocolate. This is 70% dark chocolate. Next I'm gonna whip this double cream. I want it semi-whipped. I left this cream cheese in room temperature so it's easy to mix it. Add icing sugar and mix it. If you're doing a bigger recipe, you can use a handheld machine. But this small quantity, I'm going to use a spatula to mix this cream cheese with the sugar. Mix well cream cheese and the icing sugar. Next I got this dark chocolate, that is 70% dark chocolate. So I need this cheesecake very rich in chocolate, because I got salted caramel going in. So the bitterness of chocolate will cut by this salted caramel. The last, the whipped cream. Fold it in. Cheesecake mix is ready now. So this is the salted caramel I left to set, and I left to cool down and left in the fridge for 2 hours. And I'm gonna cut this caramel into battens. This caramel is so soft and just melts in your mouth. So I got this battens ready. Now I'm going to pipe the cream cheese or the cheesecake mix into the molds. Pipe layer of cheesecake mix, and after I'm gonna place this caramel batten in the middle. Now pipe it on top of the caramel and cover it. Using a small spatula to level it up. Nice and smooth top. I'm using 70% dark chocolate in this cheesecake. That gives the richness, the chocolate flavor into this cheesecake. And the salted caramel, the flaky salted caramel, balance the sweetness of this cheesecake. Now I'm going to freeze these cheesecakes before I take it out from the molds. Yes, this is coming out of the freezer. I left around 4 to 5 hours in the freezer. You see, it's easy to take it out from the ring mold. I'm going to take off this acetate sheet. I got ganache to pipe on. So this is simple ganache recipe, equal quantity of dark chocolate and double cream. I just warm it up the double cream and mix with chocolate. After that I add another 100 grams of double cream to get this consistency, piping consistency. I'm placing flakes of salted caramel on top. They just melt in your mouth. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. Subscribe my channel and check my other videos too. And I will see you with another video.